Hello everybody! Thank you so much for clicking on my video and welcome back to Baking Budgets or welcome. I hope you guys are going to enjoy my video because today I'm going to be doing this is the second paycheck of this is my second paycheck of the month of May, and I'm going to be stuffing $254, but I'm actually going to be stuffing a little bit more because I did get a few more orders from my side income, and I will talk about all of that. So let's just get this money organized, you guys. I'm gonna just get this money organized. So pretty much what happened is, so I have a small baking business here in Washington, and I was doing a Mother's Day sale, as some of you guys might have seen it on my my reels. And then as I was going to the bank, somebody had sent me money for an order, and I was like, okay, I might as well just take the money out because I'm already here at the bank. So that's what I went ahead and did. So it's an additional $56 that I don't have included in my budget. So I will kind of just see where I want to stuff it as we go. So I'm going to get started here in my long-term binder, and I'm going to go straight to savings, and I'm going to go ahead and stuff $50. And that's kind of just what's been working for myself and my husband. He's been adding 100 and I've been adding 50. So 20, 40, 45, and 50. So now our savings has 100, 200, 300, 320, 40, 45, and 50. So I love that. $350 in savings. And then next, I'm going to do my Etsy taxes. So, before I do that, I want to go ahead and fill in my tracker. So I'll do that real quick. Okay, I don't know how much this is going to be, so let me just add it and then we will count it up. So I'm going to add $54, so 20, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, and 54. Okay, so let's get this added in. And in case you guys didn't see my video, it's like 2 videos before this one, I did do my bill condensing, and that's when I took $500 to the bank. So Etsy taxes now has 500, 520, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. So $588 in taxes. So we are almost coming up on that next $100 mark. So let me just put this here. 588, and we added 54. Yep, that is correct. Nothing going into Etsy supplies. And then my daughter, I wanted to go ahead and add $20 for her because now she is at 500, 520, 40, 60, 80, and $600. So that is super, super awesome. I'm so glad I was able to get her to $600. And then let's see. So actually, I guess I could just fill this out real quick. Bingo has 20. I have 20. Husband has 20. And then for a month ahead, I'm going to go ahead and add $10. So month ahead now has $30. Perfect. And then car emergency, I wanted to add 10. So 5 and 10. And car emergency now has 100, 200, 300, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 505, and 510. Perfect. And honestly, you guys, I'm thinking if I should just bring this money to the bank already or if I should wait till the end of the month. I don't know. Special bills is not getting anything, and I think it's 177 in there. I'm not entirely sure, but I think so. Okay, perfect. We got that. And then I'm going to go into my vacation binder. Of course, as y'all know, we're taking a trip coming up in like less than 3 weeks. So we are working really hard on making this happen, adding in money whenever we can. So I originally, it was going to add 56. So 20, 40, and then 45, 50, 55 and 56. So, and honestly, I really think, let's see what we have left. 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56. Okay, I think what I'm gonna do is, let me go ahead and count this first and see what we're working with. So in vacation, we now have 100, 200, 300, 400, 420, 40, 60, 80, 500, 520, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 56. So $556. So I think what I want to do is I want to get this to, I might as well just get it to 600. You know what I mean? Okay, so let me just take out this $1. So this would be 555. And so that means I need to add 45 at least. Or let me see. Yeah, 45. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add $45. So 20, 40, 5. And I'm going to put that back. So now it has 100, 200, 300, 400, 420, 40, 60, 80, 500, 520, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 600. Okay, perfect. I think, and then that leaves $12. Okay, so I'll do that. So then that means in that I added, you know what? It's fine. I'll just put 600 here because I know that's what I have. Okay, cool. Okay, so food now has $600. So that is outstanding. And then I think what I'm going to do with the other, I have $12 left. I think what I'll do is I didn't get to add any to my future baby. Should I add to that one? Or actually, I think I'm going to add to clothing. Honestly, I think I'll just put it all into clothing because my daughter, she does need a couple more things. So I think I'll just I think I'll just do that. So I'll just add 5 and 10 into here. So now, so $10 into clothing. So the clothing now has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. Okay, good. I like that. $30 in clothing. And then I have $2 left over. So with this extra $2, it's because if I add it to any of them, it'll become uneven. So, yeah, okay, that's fine. I think with this extra $2, I'm gonna just throw it into my eating out category. That's totally fine with me. It's $2 anyways, so I'll just do that. So $1 and $2. So now my eating out has 20, 40, 60, 81, 82. Okay, cool. That's totally fine with me. I am totally fine with that. Yeah, that's fine with me. And I'll just add that into my wallet here. These are also available on my shop if you're interested in them. Because personally, like, I like to use my regular wallet. So yeah, that's why I like my little envelopes that I can just throw in there. So anyways, guys, sorry that if this video was kind of a little bit chaotic because I had that extra money that I didn't know what to do with, but nonetheless, thank you guys so much for making it all the way to the end of my video, and I can't wait to see y'all in my next one. All right, see y'all. Bye.